Tamilarasi, Tamilarasi, ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
Hi kids! Today we're going to see chapter 11. I can't even do it with my fingers. Oh well, let's start. Wait, something feels missing. Bobbin! Of course, Bobbin! Let's call him out. Bobbin! Bobbin! Okay, this is scared me that. Should we start?
Yes!
Today we're going to look at chapter 11, as I told you earlier.
Yeah. Have you guys seen our last 10 videos?
If you haven't, make sure you do. Okay. Let's start. Wait, what letter is this?
It's... Actually, I think it's R?
Yes, it's R. The R letter makes the sound R. What sound does the letter R make?
R.
You got it.
And I think something. Rat.
Yeah. Okay. Boom! This picture. Oh, that rat over there is so generous.
Or
Giving his friend the rabbit.
Or in this case, kind and sweet and generous.
Okay, can you tell me about this picture again?
Rat.
What else can you see? What's this?
Bread.
What is this?
Rabbit. Carrot.
Carrots are not white. Do you know what it is?
I am.
That's a radish.
Oh, radish.
You got it. What else is there in the background? What is there in the background?
Trees.
Yeah, there's lots of trees and what's this next to the rat and rabbit? Hut.
Hut.
Yeah, it's a hut.
Who lives in a hut?
Village people.
Like a rat?
No. This is just a story, Gwen. Okay, should we start?
Yes!
The rabbit's rat. Look at the rabbit's radish.
Rabbit's radish? Why did that rabbit even need a radish?
Rabbits eat all sorts of vegetables, but it doesn't eat fruits. It eats lots and lots of veggies.
Well, humans eat fruits and vegetables and meat and everything that is eatable.
Okay. Rabbit asked the rat, "Did you see my radish?" The rat said, "No, I didn't see the radish. See, I have a roti." So this is not bread, but a roti.
What's that?
It's something like a naan, like paratha. It's kind of like a chapati.
Okay.
Let's call it roti. Okay. We can share it. So the rat is offering to the rabbit. We can share the roti if you like.
But it's so.
Do you like roti as well?
I never even tried.
No, chapati is roti.
I tried a lot.
Do you like rotis?
Yes.
You like chapatis then, right?
I want to tell something. Just like what? For example of that, I have 10 candies. And you have no candy and you're hungry and there's nothing to eat. And I for you 5 candies.
Yeah, something like that. Rabbit said, "No, thank you." Then the rat and the rabbit saw rhinoceros. The rhinoceros looked at the sky. Okay, so the rabbit's like, "No, thank you. I don't want to share this roti with you."
Rookies are made out of dew.
Yeah. Then, what did the rat and the rabbit see, Gwen?
Rhinoceros.
You like rhinoceros?
Not once in the wild. In the
Yeah.
wildlife, rhino. And you know what's good in this story is not really good in life. So, like, the ones that we read, like this one, elephants do not go very well with humans sometimes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see the next part of this story. The rabbit remembered the radish was in his burrow. That's crazy, right? So the three just sat on the run and went for a walk. They're so sweaty in the picture. In the picture, they look so sweaty.
Yeah.
They must have been going for a long walk.
Maybe a long walk that they got tired and the sun's so hot they got sweaty.
Yeah. Okay. Can you say all the R words first?
Okay. Rat. Rookie.
What else?
Rabbit. Radish. Rhinoceros.
There's one last thing.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
You got it. Super, Bowen. Okay.
I know what time is it. Question time.
I don't know how you figure it out. Well, let's go to question number 1. What does the rat want to share with the rabbit?
A roti.
Okay. Question number 2. Who do they see? After sharing the roti, the rabbit said, "No, no, thank you." And then,
I know.
anyway,
The rhinoceros.
Yeah. But the question was, what did the rat and the rabbit see after, after the rabbit said, "No, thank you," and then other stuff like that, okay? And all the other stuff that happened before. What happened? You just told me the answer. What happened? Tell me about that.
They saw the rhinoceros.
Yeah, third question. What did they see? They were so sweaty.
A rainbow. And I want to tell something. I'm going to tell a question to you about this story.
Hello.
Can you still say all the R words without seeing it?
You say along with
Okay.
rabbit,
Rabbit,
rat,
rat,
roti,
rookie,
radish,
radish,
rhinoceros,
rhinoceros,
and last but not least,
rainbow.
you got it. If you want these books,
You can just order them and it'll come right away.
and there's 10% discount and free delivery. Okay.
So, yeah, but if you don't have these, you can just study at home.
Okay. So, see you at activity time.
Bye!
Oh, where's Bud then? He's supposed to be here for activity time. Did you kids see him? I'm sure not. Let's call him out together. Bud then! Bud!
secret.
Whatever. Okay. Are you ready to do activities?
Yes. But what activities?
The R sound activities. Can you tell me the R sound one more time? Did you remember?
Rat. Rat.
Whatever. Okay. Okay, let's go to the first activity. I'm just reminding you, but we are going to the term 2 book.
So make sure you have that. Not only term 1, but you also need all the terms. There's only 3 terms.
Okay. So, now I had to clear capital R and lowercase r.
And I know what you're gonna say.
Before that,
I'm gonna have to tell the pictures.
yeah, go ahead. Take it away.
Rainbow.
What else is there?
Ring.
What else?
Rose. Rocket ship. Rain. Rat.
Do you like rats?
No.
Do you like flowers? I mean, roses. Do you like roses?
Except for thorns.
The thorns? Do you like the thorns?
And here's the thing.
What?
Rats eat cheese. And we have cheese in our fridge.
I hope it doesn't come and eat our cheese. Oh, whatever to it. You can start coloring.
Oh, I think I'm gonna close my eyes and see my colors.
Okay.
What are you gonna do with white?
Yeah. You can do this one.
Let's colors.
Okay, start coloring.
Abracadabra.
You want orange?
I'm orange.
Okay, start coloring. You have to start by 1, and then go 2, then go 3.
I'm alternating with 3.
First do 1, then do 2, then do 3. Kids, don't be like balloons. Start with 3. Do with it 1. Or else you won't learn how to write it. That'd be bad, right?
At least it's just coloring.
Prove it. It's more than just coloring. You're learning, okay?
But I don't understand. What does coloring help you with?
Motor skills. Like, hands. Like perfect motor skills.
And that will also give you great imagination.
Oh, let's start coloring now.
And the best part is, it's very fun.
Oh, fun. Okay, start coloring, Glenn. Whoa, it looks so rainbowy. But next time, make sure you do it by the numbers, okay? Or else you can't write. As I said, that's very bad, right?
I think I'm gonna try something today.
White? You sure?
On what teeth?
Just do this same color. Is that coloring one?
Yeah,
Why?
because coloring gives you great motor skills. And eye coordination. And I don't even know what that means, but I know it. And it gives you great imagination.
Okay. If you also
And it's fun.
okay, start selling. And but I have forgot about teacher remarks, okay? You're still gonna get teacher remarks. Are you happy? Do you like teacher remarks? done?
Yep.
Wow, so colorful. Look at this, kids. How beautiful one has done.
Sound out loud, not just R.
R.
That's what I'm saying.
Say it out loud.
R. 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 R.
Super boy, you finished all the R's, see, kid? Super boy, you did so well.
Thanks.
Okay, let's go to the third activity.
What's the third activity?
As you know, learn the objects with the R sound. But first, tell me all these pictures.
I knew you was going to say that.
What's this?
Rhino.
Rose, I'm going to test you out. What's this?
Ring. Rabbit. Rocket. Rat. Raccoon.
You got it. Whoa.
Rain. Radish.
Wow, you're good. Now, you have to write the
And rocket ship.
Yeah, you gotta say that. Okay, you have to write R.
Did
And
I?
Yeah, you did. You had to say
No, I did
whatever. You had to write R and then say the whole word. Like R, rhino, or rhino. You have to say it like that, okay?
it. You always tell me to do that.
Okay, start.
Say it, kids. Rhino.
Super! Okay, start with the next one.
Rose. Say it, kids. Rose.
Beautiful.
Rabbit. Say it, kids. Rabbit. Rocket ship.
It's just rocket here, okay?
Okay. Say it, kids. Rocket. Rain. Say it, kids. Rain. Raccoon. Say it, kids. Raccoon.
Next one.
Radish.
You're beautifully going, remember.
Say it, kids. Radish. Radish. Ring. Say it, kids. Ring.
Super good. You almost finished everything. So fast. Look at this. I hope you finished it at home too. Okay. You ready? Teacher, next time. I'm gonna give you 1 star. That's it. Okay, 2 stars. And then 3 stars. And 4 stars. I gave you 5 stars. Super good. I hope you all learned the R sound with us. Bye.
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 ஹாய் கிட்ஸ், எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்ப உங்களோட டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.